Alright guys, as you can see from the camera angle and everything, it's time for another tool review. And this time it's also a Harbor Freight item, but it's something that I would say not many people use nowadays because those parts are not being repaired, they're just being changed. And this is the tool. It's the inner tie rod removal set from the Harbor Freight, like I said. It's an 8-piece set. It comes with 7 adapters. It has some metric as well as some United States. What to say about this? I think it's price wise it's $37. I got a 20% discount coupon, and it costed me like $30. But yeah, let's get into it. A usual packaging of Harbor Freight stuff, Pittsburgh especially, has this strong plastic housing. And here it is. Of course, it comes with the instructions, the manual. These are the sizes right there. And of course, important safety information and how to operate. And this is the tool right here. It's a 1/2-inch drive. And of course, these are the adapters. Those adapters are, of course, different sizes for different vehicles. This is 33 mil. This is 17 mil, 14 mil, and then goes to SE. United States, 1 1/4 inch, 1 7/16, 1 5/16, and 1 3/16. How does it work? Like that. You just put it in there, and then you're ready to roll. I will be showing soon how to use this tool, because I decided that I will rebuild my my Mitsubishi Eclipse power steering stuff. It's been leaking, and yeah, I'll buy the rebuild kit. That way I know I did all of the stuff. Also, this thing can lock as well. You can lock it. There it is right there. Open, lock. The build quality, I mean, it's solid, it's nice. Not that bad. This is something that you can also rent at AutoZones. You don't have to buy this too. I mean, how often you're gonna use it, that's the question. I've seen people also making these sizes, and I think you can buy them as well online in different sizes. Of course, if none of these fit and you need something extra, you can always grind one of these, grind them up and make your own size. It will work. And yeah, that's pretty much what this is. It's just a inner tie rod removal tool. You can buy expensive ones, or you can buy like this, something cheap. So that's pretty much it, guys. I will, like I said, be using this tool pretty soon to rebuild my power steering, and I will be showing how to use it as well. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Laters.